Chris Aquino ibinahagi ang panibagong sakit na nararamdaman. Nagbahagi nga si Chris Aquino ng ilang larawan, kalakip ang mahabang caption kung saan na iniwan na siya ng nopyo niyang doktor. Ani Chris, during this time of uncertainty, I choose to share my painful truth. The doctor I loved left me because he wanted the freedom to travel, to break free from needing to care for and the reality of Chris Aquino, who had multiplying autoimmune diseases with so few treatment options. Enough time has passed. He did not love me. In my defense, he did receive the correct professional fees, even when we were a couple. End of the chapter. Never akong natakot umamin ng katotohanan. The truth in his words. Iniwan kita dahil mahirap kang mahalin. Sobrang sikip ng paligid. My prayer is that he will now stop trash talking and cursing my best friends and doctors who are still doing all they can to improve my quality of life, proving everyday genuine love, compassion, and loyalty. Ayon kay Chris ay nagdesisyon daw siyang i-post ang kanyang current reality because I want to give hope. Ani Chris, tinitiis niya ang matinding sakit na parte na ng bawat araw niya dahil ang pagmamahal ng anak ay walang katumbas.